Hey guys, this is Joe George. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can whitelist our emails using Outlook Live web version as opposed to the desktop app. If you happen to own a Hotmail, Windows Live, or MSN accounts, then these steps will still be applicable for you, so long as if you're using the Outlook Live interface to sign into those accounts. With that being said, let's start the show. To ensure that our emails get delivered into your inbox, you need to first take care of two important steps. The first step is the most important step, and that is you need to add our emails into Outlook's Safe Senders list. This tells Outlook not to classify our emails as spam or junk so that they can get inboxed properly. In order for you to do this, you need to click on the settings gear icon on the top right. Then click on View All Outlook Settings. From here, click Junk Email. And then under Safe Senders and Domains, we want to go ahead and add in two emails from Cubitize. One is from news@news.cubitize.com, and the other one's from support@support.cubitize.com. Click on the Add button. Let's type the first one. Hit Enter. Click Add again, and type the second email. Once you're finished, click Save, and then click the X icon. That takes care of step number one. Step number two, we need to go ahead and add those two emails into your contact books. Okay? To do this, you're going to click on the People tab on the bottom left. Click Add a Contact. For the name, just put Cubitize News. For the email, news@news.cubitize.com. Create. Let's go ahead and do this for the second email. Click on New Contact on the top left. The name should be Cubitize Support. Email. Click Create. And that wraps up that step. Okay? So that's how you go ahead and whitelist our emails using Outlook Live. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, wherever you are in this world, may you have a blessed and fruitful day.